I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Readymade school book cover. First, gather your materials, your book, the Readymade cover, and perhaps some scissors or clear tape. It's crucial to ensure your cover's dimensions are a good match for your book, typically within 1 or 2 centimeters of height. A clean, flat surface is also essential for a smooth application. This preparation step saves time and ensures a perfect fit, making the entire process much simpler and more enjoyable for you. Now, let's get that cover on. Begin by carefully aligning one edge of your book with the pre-creased fold on the Readymade cover. Gently slide your book into the cover, making sure the spine is perfectly centered within the cover's spine area. Take your time to smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles, working from the center outwards. This ensures a snug fit and a professional look, protecting your book effectively throughout the school year. With your book partially covered, it's time to secure everything. Fold the remaining flap of the cover over the other side of your book, creating a neat enclosure. For extra security, use small pieces of clear adhesive tape on the inside flaps, attaching them to the book's end papers. If there's any excess material, carefully trim it with scissors for a perfectly tailored and professional appearance. This step ensures your cover stays put, offering maximum protection. To keep your books organized and looking great, here are a few final tips. Clearly label your book on the cover for easy identification, perhaps using a permanent marker or a sticker. Regularly wipe the cover with a slightly damp cloth to remove dirt and grime, keeping it fresh. Finally, store your books upright on a shelf to prevent the covers from bending or getting damaged over time. These simple practices will help your Readymade covers last for many months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.